There have been many weird animal pairings throughout time. This one is probably one of the strangest you will ever see though. One animal, a top of the food chain type of predator. The other, a docile farm animal being put to the slaughter. This may sound like some sort of Disney Pixar movie, but this is actually happening in real life at a Russian zoo. Check out the story of two unlikely friends and how their relationship is anything but ordinary. This is Amur and Timur. Amur is a Siberian tiger, while Timur is a goat. Timur was actually a goat that was put into the cage for Amur to eat. This was done twice a week with live prey. None of the zoo staff had any reason to believe that this time would be any different. They don't even give the goats names in fear of getting attached. Timur had other plans, however. Instead of running and cowering in fear like the other goats did, he took a different approach. Timur decided to show Amur who the boss of the enclosure was. He just walked up to Amur and wasn't afraid in the slightest. Zoo workers have said Timur never had a reason to be scared of tigers, so he wasn't intimidated in the slightest. The zoo only gave Amur raw meat for a while after Timur and him became friends. He is now back to eating live game though. They have stopped feeding him goats, however, out of respect for Timur. These guys make a great pair. Now, even with how adorable this story is, zoo attendance is up 300% and they are even installing cameras for a live stream of the two friends. Hopefully we don't hear in the news anytime soon about Amur deciding to snack on his friend Timur.